Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you about enums and how you can use them in Solidity. The first thing we want to do is to create a contract file, call it enum.sol, and then we are going to pass in, as always, license as well as the pragma version. So then we're going to create a contract name. We call it enum. And so what are we going to do here? So basically what are enums? Enum is like the short form of what is known as enumeration. So basically in most other programming languages is also there. So with this you can pretty much set up different values depending on the kind of solution you are building. Let's say you are doing an e-commerce application where you want to track the progress of transaction or transaction status. So you want to be able to like set some fixed values. It's almost like constant where you can pretty much do and the likes or set the likes of things like pending, in progress, cancelled, and things like that. So we're going to be doing that right here. So enum is a keyword in Solidity, and we can call it status. So we want to check the status of whatever we are going to be shipping out. So the first thing we want to put here is pending. The next thing we want to also put here is let's say in progress and completed, cancelled, for instance. So yeah, let's say these are all the items we have. So we are going to create functions to set the status and also to get back the status. So basically, all of these things are represented are usually in form of numbers. So we are going to do something like creating a variable for it. We can call it the type is status. So we can give it the status type, and then we create a function, say set status, and we can pass in status and my status. Yeah, so what status are we setting? So we are maybe saying we're going to set the value. So we are going to say status is equals to status, and then we're going to get back status that we are setting. So basically anything you set, if you set given the fact that all these are represented in numbers, if you set one, the item that represents one in this status is going to be displayed. So let's do a get request and do get returns. What are we returning? We are returning the status. So let's see, return status. All right, so we're returning this one with the small x. All right, cool. Okay, so let's run this application and test what we have done. So basically, if I deploy this and then come back here and do set one, so if I do get status, is going to give me one, and if I set 3, is going to return 3. So each of these, like I said, they are represented in form of numbers. So like I said, each of these are represented in form of numbers. So this like the first one there is just like an array. The index, the first one is 0, the second one is 1, the third one is 2, and the last one is cancelled. So by setting value or setting the status to 3, we are simply saying we are cancelling we are cancelling it. Or you set it to 1 means it's pending. That's like no, 1 is in progress and 0 is pending, which is like the default. All right, guys, I hope you have understood how to use enums in your application. If you have any question, please do it to drop it in the comment section, and I will see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.